Today's market is extremely crazy. I'm not sure if you are aware of how bizarre it is out there. I've seen property including freehold and condo apartments that have received 70 offers. It is just extremely difficult to be able to acquire it. Are you one of those burnout buyers that experience what I just described? In today's video, I would like to provide you with an alternative solution to this. So let's get to it right after this. Welcome back, I'm Antonio from AV Team Real Estate, the local real estate agent in the Toronto GTA area. If at any point you have any questions about the real estate market, feel free to contact me at 416-836-8987 or connect with us through our website at www.avteamrealestate.com. Or simply you could schedule a call with me with the link in the description down below. Speaking of the crazy market, recently, I was working with a client that was interested to purchase a one-bedroom condo in the North York area. In one of the coldest days in Toronto, we managed to visit 6 condo units that fit his criteria and somewhat in his price range. All of those units, however, come with an offer day, which we closely monitor and even make an offer on one of them. Unfortunately, we were unable to obtain that unit. All of the units received more than 12 offers, with the majority of them going for at least 15 to 22% more than the asking price. It is ridiculous. I spoke with a number of agents who have been in the field for decades, and they all agree that it might surpass the level seen in 2017. You've probably seen how volatile the market is, which is why in today's video, I want to show you how to navigate this sort of bidding war by directing you to the pre-construction condominiums. Well, pre-construction is no mystery when it comes to putting down a deposit and then you wait for the construction to begin, which may take anywhere from 4 to 5 years. On the downside, anticipating the current market will almost certainly need you to pay more than 10% more than the resale market. Hence, that is why you find pre-construction always more expensive than the resale condos. What if I told you there was a hybrid option where you could wait less time for the project to be completed while also avoiding the high anticipated pre-construction price and skipping the bidding war, where you have no idea how much you will be overpaying for a certain piece of real estate? Let's take this project, Pinnacle Toronto East, as an example. This was originally launched back in late 2018 and official launch in 2019. As you can see, this project started the construction already and now is projected to be completed in late September this year in 2022. So why am I bringing this project back into the discussion? If you could find an agent that still could find you remaining unit for projects that are about to be completed, this could be for a good number of reasons. First thing first is the bidding war. You will not be participating in any of the multiple offer situations when you're purchasing this type of pre-construction that is nearing completion the next year. Imagine that you are not actually on the multiple offer, that most likely you will be overpaying for any unit in today's market. Also, one good benefit about that is that you will know exactly how much you will be paying, and it's relatively to the current market. So let's take an example of this project here at Pinnacle, at Warden and Shepherd. If you can see here, there's West Tower at the top and then the East Tower on the bottom. There are several remaining units on the West Tower. There's some 1-bedroom units and 2-bedroom with 10 and 3-bedroom with 10. Let's take a look at the 1-bedroom unit. The size is very decent at 725 square feet. Price is $634,900. That is with the price tag of $876 per square foot. In today's market, you can easily find any current unit more than $1,000 per square foot. So with this price, you will be in the good range and you will not be participating the bidding war as usual. So even if you take a look at the 2-bedroom unit, the price is at $833 per square foot and the size is 1,800 square feet. This is a very good unit at this price range, which is really hard even to look in the resale market. So 3-bedroom is even better here at 757 per square feet with 1,363 square foot. So if you are interested in this type of units, this is a relatively a good buy. In the East Tower, we can see the same, the 1-bedroom at 856 per square feet with size of 835 square feet. This is a very good unit if you are looking to enter the market. And also the 2-bedroom here, you can also see at the $800 square foot range, and the size is more than 1,000 square feet. The 3-bedroom at $757 again. So these are the only remaining units available. The closing day is estimated in September this year. So if you are interested, please do let me know and we can go through it. Now, another benefit buying this type of pre-construction that is close to the completion date is that this is somewhat looks like a assignment sales. However, when you purchase a regular assignment sales, usually you will have to pay whatever the seller put in the deposit back in 4 to 5 years time. For example, he bought it for $400,000 4 years ago. So 4 years to now, the price might have gone up like maybe $100,000 to $150,000. So you will have to pay this amount for the current market price, whatever the seller put in the deposit, which most likely could be another 20% that he put under. Right off the bat, you will have to pay the 20% that he paid, and also the appreciation price that is over the 4 years time. So more or less, you will be in the neighborhood of 35% to 40%. Now, the advantage of buying this type of pre-construction, you will be coming up with 20%, not the 40%. You will also have a very close closing date, which is this year in September 22. Lastly, the benefit to this is that you are getting a brand new unit. There are no renovations needed. So that is why I say this is a very good deal to enter the market if you could find any of this type of unit. I'm sure you could find similar projects throughout the city, which is why finding a real estate agent who understand the game can offer you good deals is a good idea. If you're interested in looking at this sort of unit but are exhausted from playing the bidding war game, schedule a call with me using the link in the description below. I'll be happy to share some of my strategies that can help you in similar situations. If you find this information useful, please like the video and consider subscribing to our channel so that we could produce more videos just like this. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.